Flee the Co-op, Unraveling the Phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, flee the coop. This quirky expression is packed with meaning and history, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use it like a native speaker. The phrase, flee the coop, is an idiomatic expression meaning to escape from a restrictive situation or environment. Imagine a chicken escaping from its pen where it's kept. It's breaking free from confinement. Similarly, when a person flees the coop, they are leaving a place that feels confining or limiting. While the exact origins are a bit fuzzy, it's clear that this phrase comes from poultry farming. A co-op is a cage or pen for chickens, and to flee is to run away. The image of a chicken escaping its co-op captures the essence of someone leaving a confining space or situation. Using flee the coop in conversation is quite simple. It's often used in a light-hearted way. For example, after years of strict rules at home, she finally fled the coop and got her own apartment. Once the bell rings on Friday, everyone's ready to flee the coop and start the weekend. There are a few variations of the phrase that carry a similar meaning, such as fly the coop or escape the coop. All of these retain the imagery of escaping from a confined space. And there you have it. Flee the coop is a fun and illustrative way to talk about gaining freedom from a restrictive environment. We hope you enjoyed learning about this expression and feel confident using it in your own conversations. Happy speaking, and never stop learning.